Hi, this is Adrian, and today we're going to be harvesting basil, and then after we harvest it, we're going to take you over to our shed where we dry it, and we're going to show you how we hang it, and then after that, we're going to take it inside, and we're going to show you what we do with it after it dries. Okay, so now we're done harvesting it. So now we're going to go over and we're going to go into our shed and show you how we hang it to dry. So now we're in the garden shed and we're going to take some freshly cut basil that we just cut and we're going to make it into a bunch, but not too much so it has enough to air out. And then you're going to take a smaller piece of twine and you're going to wrap it around like this and make it into a bunch. And then you got nice in a bunch, and you're going to take a bag with holes in it, and you're going to write the name of the herb and the date. So after you have gotten it into a bunch, you're going to put the herb into the bag, and you're going to hold it like this. I don't know how to explain it. And then you're going to take the end of a longer piece of twine and wrap it around it pretty tight so that it doesn't fall off. And then you're going to leave a long tail so that you can hang it up off of something like this. And the reason we keep it in here is because we have two big doors that are always open, so it gives us enough airflow to keep it going, or to keep it aired out. But it will never rain, or it will never rain in here, so that's why we do it. It doesn't get wet. And then after that, you let it hang, checking on it for a couple weeks. And this one we did in June 23rd, and this is what it looks like. It's all crinkly, and that's how we know that it's ready to go into the house and be cooked. And now we're going to take you inside and show you how we prep it for us to cook with. So now we're going to get everything prepared for usage. We started the video with basil, but we didn't get enough dry from what we did before, so we're going to take this all back outside and dry it more. So we're going to finish it with chocolate mint. The process is the same for every herb, so it really doesn't matter. But you're going to take the dry herb off of the stem and put it into your food processor. And you're going to fill up the food processor, and then you're going to put it on pulse for a few times, or until it's as fine as you want it. And then once you get done doing that, this is what you'll get, or as fine as you want it. And you can store it into a plastic bag or a jar, whatever you want. But that's it. You can use it for whatever you plan to use it for. But that's the end of the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and come back for the next one.
Are you ready?
Aye, aye, Captain.
All right.